It's a weekend warm up, and it looks like I'm not sure if they're chickens or they're Glen Plake lookalikes. Here they come. Here they come. This staff is ready. What's going on? It's Chef Rob and all the rest of the. Would it be a flock?
It would be a flock.
It would be a flock. It's the shock top flock here, and they brought us some tasty treats to sample, and I'm guessing it has something to do with poultry.
It's the weekend of the bird.
It's the weekend of the bird, and because we're celebrating the weekend of the bird, we have got some celebratory dishes here. And tell us what we have, Chef Rob.
What we have it's a turkey club with a cranberry mayo. We have blue lightning wings with a blueberry sauce. They're literally blue lightning. We have the chicken sriracha sandwich that we had last week too.
Do you need a license for that?
No, you don't. That's just weird.
So these are made with blueberries? Maine blueberries?
Why don't you just try one?
All right, hold on. That's a big...
What do you guys think is going to happen?
Very good. This is very good. Look at the size of that wing. Are these on special? These on special?
They're on special all weekend long. Absolutely. We're going to go back to our roost, guys. Thanks for having us. Goodbye.
You know, there's a shortage of organic eggs out there. Do you think they lay organic eggs? I don't know, but these wings are delicious. So, these are very tasty. A blueberry, they have a blueberry, but yet they have a kind of a spicy aftertaste. And they're huge. These wings are huge, I have to tell you. And them chickens can't fly either, but they have big wings like that. Very good.